So today's question is, what does it mean to be servant-hearted? Often we think a servant means a role that is low paid or low skilled, a role that has little value, when actually it's the opposite. A servant is someone who meets the needs of others and puts others' needs before themselves. If we serve someone, we do something for them without wanting anything back in return. Servants show kindness to others and help because they care about them. Let's just pause for a minute. Can you think of a person in your life who has served you more than anyone else? Perhaps it's your mum or dad, another family member, or your teacher. Think about what they do for you. What do their actions show? Do you think of them as being like a servant? Your teacher might want to pause the video at this point and hear some of your ideas. In John 13, Jesus and his disciples were meeting in an upper room for the Passover feast, a celebratory meal which we now call the Last Supper. However, there was a problem. The custom was to have a servant at the door to wash their feet, clearing away the dust and dirt from outside before they sat down at a low table to eat. But there wasn't a servant there. The same story in Luke's Gospel tells us that during the meal, the disciples argued about who was the greatest, instead of thinking about who could do this role. Jesus decided after the meal to show them a different way by taking on the servant's role and washing their feet. Jesus saw a need, a problem, and his heart was motivated by love to do something about it, to take action. He wasn't bothered about his position or getting messy. He just wanted to serve his friends, to show them that they were important to him, and to encourage them in their actions to do the same for others. Being servant-hearted then is not about our position or our skills, it's about our attitude. Servant-hearted leaders look for ways to serve and add value to the lives of other people. Their actions often speak louder than their words. It's time now for you to think about your response to be servant-hearted.